HIV and AIDS continues to be one of the global health challenges that has claimed lives of many for decades now. Its effects are not just loss of lives, but devastating to any country's economy as human capital is lost. With 2030 as a target year of reducing the spread of HIV and AIDS, the youths have a key role to play in ensuring that HIV and AIDS is reduced by 90% in 2030. Janet Mulenga is a Livingstone youth-based who feels young people need to take responsibility in the fight against HIV and AIDS.
So as a youth, I'm taking responsibility against contracting HIV virus by abstaining. So abstinence is the most major important key in preventing HIV and AIDS. Then there are those people who can't manage to abstain. My message to those youths who can't manage to abstain is that they can use protective methods like using condoms, because most of the times I've seen that youths are not able to abstain. So the best method that they can use as youths is to use protective methods such as using a condom in order to prevent the HIV virus. But those condoms are not 100% safe. So the best method is for them to abstain.
Another youth, Clarence Mukombwe, says information dissemination on sexuality among youths needs to be strengthened.
Yes, since the theme says that the future and the responsibility, as an organization, responsibility is one of our core values. So as youths, we have to take responsible of ourselves when it comes to preventing ourselves from contracting the virus of HIV and AIDS. In that way, which means we don't have to indulge ourselves in sexual activities that may lead to us contracting the virus. And abstinence is the only key and is the only way that we can use to prevent ourselves from contracting the virus.
Contact Trust Youth Association Programs Manager Mukombwe Gift cautions that the current number of teenage pregnancies being reported in the country poses a serious threat with regards to the spread of HIV and AIDS.
So I think for a long time we have downplayed the issue of adolescents and young people having sex. The reality actually on the ground is that a lot of young people are actually not delaying sexual activity. It would be very nice if young people are able to delay their sexual first activity, but actually that's not the case. Young people have been exposed to a lot of information. Information is on social media. There's so much, and they meet, whether we like it or not, they meet and they are having sex. And that we can't deny because we have evidence, as you've said. There's evidence of young people getting pregnant, okay? 3,000 young people from one district in just one term, dropping out of school.
And speaking during the World AIDS Day commemorations, Livingstone District Commissioner Pascalina Musokotane says the fight against HIV and AIDS needs everyone to be on board.
World AIDS Day is a day of remembrance of our brothers, sisters, uncles, aunties, and colleagues who have lost their lives due to AIDS-related illnesses. It is also a day when we offer individual and collective solidarity to those living with HIV through concerted efforts of stopping and mitigating the impact of the pandemic.
With COVID-19 being another global health challenge, concentration on other pressing health challenges seems to be limited as many countries battle the coronavirus. Muya Mkomputa, Movie TV News, Livingstone.